Diego. Let's go get these live baits put down. Biter finally. That's a halibut rake. There we go, hook up. Hallie. Little baby. Baby halibut. Right kind of fish, but just not the right size. Oh, big mistake right there. A little release going on him. See you later. Another one. Same one. Body. There it is. Big old chunky body on the live sardine. Get the release on him. See what it is. Body, I think. Oh, Hallie. San Diego Bay. See you later, buddy. Another one. Good morning, it's your buddy Mikey here. Saturday, March 16, 2024, and I'm down here at Shelter Island, San Diego Bay. It's a beautiful Saturday here in springtime. Got the solo skiff ready to go. I'm a little bit late, but I see him out here. We got Glenn, Sand Dog with a bunch of the Mad Anglers, or I'm sorry, Mad Anglers and Heroes on the Water. Heroes on the Water, San Diego, they're out here fishing. I'm gonna shoot out with my solo skiff and fish with them for a little bit. Maybe see if it's in drone range right here. Do a little drone flight. But I think we got Glenn right here. So just more networking and time on the water. Fishing San Diego Bay now. Get the solo skiff launched, get out there fishing. It was just high tide, or slack low tide was at 10 o'clock this morning. The winds aren't supposed to be too bad. It's a beautiful day out here. So I'll go over my rigs on the water. Before we get in the rest of the video, make sure you smash that subscribe, pound that like, show all that love and support that you've been doing. Thank you for watching. Let's get a little drone flight in and then some fishing. No, bro. Dave hooked it up with a couple pieces of live bait. way. All right, we're finally launched. Only took a couple hours. Beautiful San Diego. Let's go get these live baits put down. I think I got a couple that are still alive. Where do I want to go? I don't really want to battle the wind, so I'm just going to start my drift right out here. All right. Here's my rig I'm gonna go with. You all know it, the Sand Dog Special. I could try to shoot it or straight across. No, I'm just gonna go right here. Tide's coming in. I got the Penn Squall 15. This is the casting special. Star drag reel, conventional reel. Then I got 30-pound white braid on that with a 20-pound fluorocarbon leader. Up above the leader, I got the barrel swivel. From the main line, I got this sliding clip for the weight. Or no, I have 14, I put 14-pound leader. I want to go lighter. Trap rig, the Sand Dog Special with the Carolina Keeper. I got the trap rig treble hook tied on the bottom, number 6 treble hook. I got a 1/0 circle hook on Magatsu. Wow, struggle today, but I got it down. Nose hook and butt hooked with that Sand Dog. Get away from the boat. Keep my eye on this guy, keep my eye on the boats, and manage my live bait here. These are critical to keep these alive, to save them as I go continue fishing down through the back bay. That's my plan of attack. I'm just gonna do, I got a nice drift set up right now. I'm gonna drift by these sailboats and Bali High, Spanish Landing, all areas that I like to fish where I've caught halibut before. I'm gonna check this to see if there's any debris on my bait and if the bait's still hooked nice. Always got to be making sure that what you got down there for these fish is in the best possible presentation. I'm fishing 14-pound line, lighter stuff too, so hopefully I get more bites. But see, already got kelp on it, but not on my live bait. The live bait's still good. Got the kelp off of the weight. And we'll drop back down. I don't don't really want to shoot it across. There's so many sailboats. It's a nice rod here, this lighter style rod, 15 to 30 pound Coastal Ranger. Charlie, shout out Charlie, who hooked me up with this rod. Well, at least I got a good drift going with the wind. I'm not having a battle like yesterday with the wind. All crazy. Feel my weight on the bottom. 5 ounce weight I put on. A little heavy, but all good. Let's get bit. Fishing San Diego Bay. Look at this beautiful day here on the bay. Just changed. I'm by Bali High now. I went from a deep water to shallow water. I'm gonna put my rig back down. Like 8 feet of water here. Am I getting bit or am I? Help. Help. A little bit deeper. There's dolphin going out on their half day and the premiere. Dolphin, premiere. Dolphin's Fisherman's Landing, premiere's H&M Landing. There we go, back in the shallows. Good bit, baby. Make sure my bait's good. First bait is dead here. I'll go ahead and take it off. Kind of killed it when I was handling it to begin with. Didn't do a very good job. Save these. I might go lobstering one more time before the season ends. Oh, see, now we got a bigger boat. Always gotta worry about the boats. Same thing, nose hook. Belly hook, or tail hook, or the trap rig. Drop it down and try to get bit. Wind's starting to pick up. Feels like I'm getting caught in the kelp. Some weeds. Bait still looks good. This guy has seen better days. Time for a fresh bait. I'm gonna drift these sailboats. Hopefully this livelier bait does the trick. Still just drifting these live baits. Going by the skyline for the bay. Oh, whale watching boat right here. They leave down by Polar Bear, where Polar Bear's got the sailboat, Dave. Skyline San Diego, bunch of sailboats, and I'm just fishing for halibut. No biters, not even a rake yet. We'll see if we get lucky going by. Back inside towards Spanish Landing here. Come on, just one bite. Got a biter. Letting them eat it. Thought I had a biter. Check the bait, check out the rakes. bass rakes maybe. Nothing big. Back by Spanish Landing now. Birds are going crazy in the distance under the bridge, probably because someone's feeding them in the park down there, Liberty Station. We got Liberty Station underneath the bridge down towards the back. This is a dead bait. We got my first rakes, bass rakes, because I was by the kelps, bodies. Go to the other side, I got a shot right now of the bait barge. Rubbing by the fuels off. Put on a fresh bait over there. Got a couple. What's that? Yeah, please. Yeah, awesome. More bait. Yeah. Yeah, you were fishing the bays for halibut? Yeah. Yeah. No rakes or anything?
They got one super short. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then a couple of spotties.
My friends, but all those kayak guys, they were catching a bunch of sculpin.
Yeah.
Between like the 8 or 10 of them, they had sculpin and then 2 short halibuts at like 21 inches, like 21 and a half. Yeah. But they fished in front of the launch ramp and just all by the mooring boats. They didn't. Did you guys go all the way to the back bay?
No, we went to the bridge. We went to the bait barge.
But you went by the bridge and it wasn't happening over there?
We didn't get a single bite.
Really? That's what everyone's saying, that it's better by the bridge back over there right now.
I caught one last week, 28.5 inches.
Over there back by the bridge?
At the bridge, yeah. But today, just nothing, dude. Yeah, it was just nothing. You know, I'll fill you up, dude.
I don't want to kill them, no. I think this is good, Yeah, these are still really lively.
Oh, yeah, dude. The bait well is kicking, dude. We went offshore this morning.
Oh, did you really?
Yeah.
Did you go to the islands, or where'd you go?
Just out to the small rock pile.
The south of the islands?
No, just north, just out. Like only like a mile and a half out, in like 100.
In front of North Island, you're saying?
Yeah.
And you were fishing for bottom fish there and trying to see if there's any yellows popping up?
Nothing.
Yeah.
There was nothing. Yeah.
You didn't mark anything on the meter? 150, 160? 100 in front of North Island right there?
Yeah. On that small rock pile by the pool.
Yeah.
It's a sick setup, dude.
I know, it's the dream, bro. It gets me out there fishing. I don't have to rely on anybody else, you know? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we tried though, dude.
Yeah, hey, you're out here, yeah, you're trying. You know, that's what...
Yeah, that's what matters.
Exactly. So hopefully, you know, the islands, I was thinking that they were going to pick up. We'll see.
Yeah, no, it should be. We'll see what the report is from this weekend. But were
there other boats out there? Did you see a bunch of other boats?
Yeah, it was just pretty windy. It wasn't that many.
Yeah, south winds too, huh? I got beat down and blown off La Jolla yesterday. It was so bad, dude. Yeah. It was,
good luck to you.
Right on, thank you. What's your guys' names? Ryan and Neil? Yeah. Right on, Ryan, Neil. Nice to meet you guys. Thanks for the bait. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no.
Have a good one. Good luck. Damn. There we go, baby. Look at that. Perfect. Fresh bait. Doesn't get much better than that right there. We are gonna go ahead. Put a fresh one on. As long as they get all this untangled. Okay, let's try it again. Look how many baits I got now. Big dog. Lots of smaller baits. And there was the offshore report from those guys, or islands report. They said it was dead at the islands. see what Captain Mark with Boundless has to say. He was down there today, even some stuff on the bottom. Trying to leave the craziness of Spanish landing, but that's just how it is on a Saturday here in San Diego Bay. Because now, coming around to the bay here, we still got all the sailboats. And it looks like I have a gap if I want to shoot it across the North Island side. That's what I think I'm going to do. Across here, I'll put one more bait down right here. And then I'm going to cross over. Man, they hooked it up, Ryan and Neil. I got live bait galore. Put this bad boy down. Gotta get hit. Nice lively baits. No, that's, hopefully that will do the trick. Biter finally. Little bass. Felt a little deeper of a strike. Here come the sailboats. Look at this. That's a halibut rake. This guy's still really lively. I'm gonna go right back where I was at. That's a halibut rake. That's what we want. I'm gonna put a fresh bait on and go drift this spot. So stoked with this live bait. I gotta pull out all the dead ones though. They're dying quick, and I gotta make sure that I'm putting plenty of water, recirculating it by hand. These are great baits though. Any luck? The big boy catamaran coming through. These kids on the center console, Parker it looks like. I just got a rake, so I dropped another bait back down here. Felt like I was getting bit again. I might be on some kelp. On my bait, looking great. Check out Towboat USA towing. That looks like a Defiance. That might be a Freedom Boat Club boat right there. Yeah, it looks like there's somebody inside of it. Busy, busy, busy here in the bay today. That's why I usually don't fish the weekends. It's crazy. I got bait. That's, I guess, the good thing is that I see people and get hooked up with bait. Windy, windy, windy. Just had a bite. And then my hand is a short bite. Let's see the rake on it. Yeah, just a bass probably. Put a fresh bait on. There you go, hook up. Kind of slow trolling. Seems like it could be a halibut. Nice head shakes. some net ready. Let's go, baby. Hallie. Little baby. Baby halibut. Well, right kind of fish, but just not the right size. But maybe 16 inches, probably around 16 or so. Big dog. Oh no, he got me. Well, big mistake right there. I put my finger too close, thumb too close to his mouth, and he bit me, got me open. Release going on them. See you later. Let's get another one back down there in the same area. My sardines still pretty alive, but you can see how he raked it first. Then the trap rig got him. That treble hook. That's why he fished. That's why I fish it. Time to put a fresh bait on. Drop back down. Shout out to Ryan and Neil for hooking it up with the bait. Keep fishing. We're gonna fish all these baits. Make my way back around. Got another one. Same one. All the head shake seems like a halibut. I like to keep this thing moving in gear. It's not ripping any line. Another hookup though. No spotty. Big chunky one on the live bait. There it is. Big old chunky spotty on the live sardine. Get the release on them. Horn blower cruise. Put another one down. I'm able to kind of slow troll these towards it against the wind. go. Getting a little biter. See what it is, spotty, I think. No, Hallie. Another little Hallie here, fishing the live bait San Diego Bay. See you later, buddy. We're catching fish. Just wish they were a little bigger. Nice little zone right here. Happy there's no boat traffic coming in and out of America's Cup Harbor. That's this area back here. That's where all the sport fishing landings. I'll be starting my reports pretty soon here. Kind of been slow trolling these baits like this, moving forward. I've been getting, that's how I've gotten all three. Well, the last one was more of a drift, but then once I was feeling the bite, then I put it into gear. Another one, spotty. Closer, bigger. Like 17, 18 inches. Well, we're in the halibut zone here. We put another one down. I think there's got to be some bigger ones in the area if there's all these small ones. I don't know what's going on with these birds. Birds are always good life. Another hookup. Spotty this time. Probably like a 13 or 14 inch. Biter. That's bass. .430, coming back by the launch ramp. I still got, looks like 2 pieces of bait left. 3 if you count the one that's down there right now. Wind's whipping. Not as bad as yesterday. and I'm looking for my keeper halibut. This bait's done. This is gonna be my last bait, my last drift right here through the middle of all these sailboats back to the launch ramp. Maybe I can miracle bottom of the ninth Halley keeper. That's gonna do it. That's it, and that's all for fishing here. Busy on a busy Saturday in San Diego Bay. So just shorty halibuts and spotted bay bass. No keepers today, but it's all good. I'm out here fishing, enjoying a weekend. Saturday, beautiful Saturday here. So it's cool to run into a bunch of people today, get helped out with the bait. I'm living the dream, fishing all the time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. So that's gonna do it. That's it, and that's all. Let's get back to the boat ramp.